I told myself I wasn't going to be making another Amazon Echo related video so close to the previous one, but it's just how things turned out. So, in the past I've added batteries to a lot of the Echo devices I've touched, from the original Amazon Echo to both generations of the Echo Dot. The one that I haven't yet is actually the new Amazon Echo, the second generation Echo, and obviously not the ones with screens, because I don't think that those exist, but if they do, let me know. If you're a company that makes one, let me know. But today I thought we would address that, and not only that, we might address something for one of you guys. Because I received in the mail from Kuzi LLC the Mega Boot battery boot for the Amazon Echo second generation. Now this works not only for the new Echo, it also works for the new Echo Plus. So if you have one of those instead, this will also work for it. The price point is going to be a bit of a stickler for most people. It actually shows $69.99 on their website, $89.99 if you buy it from Amazon. But in a bit of good luck, they actually shipped me not one of these, but two. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway of this one, assuming that everything goes all right and I give this thing my seal of approval. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win one of these for yourself. But for now, let's go ahead and dive right into the box. As you can see on the side, they apparently offer a bunch of different colors of this, although I didn't see it on their site. They've also got two different versions, the EcoBoot and the Mega Boot. This is, as it marked, the black Mega Boot, and realistically speaking, there's not gonna be a huge amount to it. It's a battery for an Amazon Echo. So it's not a speaker, it's not anything other than what I said, it's a battery. So here's some documentation that came with it. It says it's a new slim design, the same power, one size fits all. And from looking through the instructions, it looks like it's gonna work like a lot of the other batteries I've taken a look at. There's a magnet that'll attach to the bottom of the Echo and one that is already on the battery itself. Let's take a look. So this is the battery itself. You have this little barrel connector that'll go into the back of the Echo. This would appear to be the magnet, although I'm having some trouble getting it off. And then you actually have a wall adapter with a barrel connector, and it looks to be the same kind of barrel connector that's used by the Echo itself. So I'm probably gonna try using the one from the Echo, but I've got this one around just in case. Now I've got to see if I can get this magnet off, because it is a ridiculously powerful magnet. Just a note to the company, if you happen to be seeing this video, I would suggest putting some sort of a pull tab or some way to easily extract this magnet, but it looks like it's got a sort of a 3M sticky pad here on the top side of it, and it's just a piece of metal, because as you can see, the top of the battery itself is a magnet, a really strong magnet. And there we go. I was finally able to peel away the adhesive cover, and from the looks of it, we should just attach it to the bottom right here. And I'll say it, I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and attach this plate. For one, this is not gonna be moving around in my house a lot, and for two, a little more important to me, this button on the bottom of the Echo is actually what allows you to remove the cover. So if you push on that, the entire top pops out. So if you cover that section of the base, you're not gonna be able to easily remove this if you wanna switch out the covers. And I might do that someday. So for the time being, we'll just pretend that I put it in place. So we set it on top of the battery base. It's kind of secure there. Obviously, it would be better if you put the magnetic plate on there. Although it does seem to have a little bit of a pull to it anyway. I'm thinking there must be some metal components near the bottom of this. But anyway, if we go ahead, plug this in, that's another sort of a concern there. It is covering the aux out port, and there doesn't seem to be a good way to fit it other than that, but it is powering up at this point. According to the documentation over on their website, now that this is powered up, assuming the battery has a full charge in it, it should be capable of powering it for over 24 hours for the Echo itself, and if you had the Echo Plus, it would be up to 18 hours. So that's definitely pretty nice. But let's just make sure everything's still working appropriately. Volume up and down, still working. Mute button, still working. How tall is the Eiffel Tower?
The Eiffel Tower's height is 1,063 feet.
Play music by Pentatonix.
Shuffling songs by Pentatonix.
Counted the stars tonight.
And it doesn't affect the sound in any way that I can tell. Stop. I do have a couple of minor concerns with this, but so far it does seem to be getting the job done. First and foremost is just this attachment plate. It makes a really strong connection, but it is going to block the ability to remove the external shell of the Echo, so just keep that in mind before you go sticking one of these on there. And two, I'm not a huge fan of the way this actually makes the connection to the Echo. The previous battery I took a look at for the second generation Echo Dot, Divoom themselves has a connector that specifically fits in flush, whereas this you've got an exposed wire that's always going to be sort of hanging out. Also, taking a look around it, I don't see any sort of LEDs. I don't see any way to tell how much battery life is left in it, so that seems like a bit of an oversight. But again, I can't say it enough. It's a giant battery and it is powering the Echo, so do with that what you will. Is it worth their price point of $69 or $89 depending on where you're buying it? I'm going to leave that entirely up to you and how much you value the ability to take an Echo and move it around your house. I'm not going to say that it makes it ultra portable simply because you do still have to connect this to Wi-Fi somewhere, somehow, in order to be able to use it. and if you go out to the park, you're probably not going to have Wi-Fi unless you open up a hotspot on your phone. Could be a bit of a pain, but it's definitely the first of its kind that I've seen for this new generation, so I will put links to where you can find it down below. And that does bring us to the giveaway portion of the video. If you'd like to win one of these for yourself and try it out on your very own Echo Generation 2 or Echo Plus, there will be a link down in the video description. Just a disclaimer, I am going to make this a US only giveaway simply because this is a battery, and the last time I tried to mail anything with a battery internationally, the United States Postal Service kind of threatened to put me on a watch list that I don't want to be on. So unfortunately, this is going to have to be US only. So again, if you want to enter the giveaway, all you gotta do is be subscribed to the channel, go down to the Gleam.io giveaway, it'll run for 2 weeks, and then I will ship this out to someone here in the US. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. Lots more videos to come very soon. If you like this one though, hit that like button down below. It just lets me know that you like this kind of video, that you like the smart home stuff. There's gonna be a lot more of that. I'm definitely on the fence about checking out Apple's HomePod, simply because I'm not 100% immersed into the Apple Music ecosystem, and that seems to be one of the prerequisites for it. So let me know if that's something that you'd like to see coming from this channel, coming from me, my thoughts and opinions on it. I have tried out all the Google stuff, all the Amazon stuff. It does make sense to try it out as well. Just let me know. I can definitely take a look at it if you'd like me to. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you again next time.